So in this, we will do basically we will understand the type of count formulas, and we will understand along with the problems. Basically, when I used to solve this count problem, I used to get confused a lot that count A, count blank, which one should I use? So that is why we have created this video to resolve all those kind of issues. So we will read the question one by one. We will try to find the answer using count formula from this data set. So as you can see in my data set, I'm having ID, name, age, gender, department, score, and date. Okay, so we'll go by first question. So count the number of numeric value in this age column. So we simply need to count the number of numeric value in age column. So nothing, we will just use count formulas, and we later have to select the range and hit enter. So as you can see, we are having 10 people in our data set. It is giving 10 because we have a 10 numeric data set in age column. Okay, so move to the second question. Count the non-empty cell in name column. So to count the non-empty cell, we have to use count A. So we have selected count A. Now we have to select the value range and hit enter. So as you can see, there is 10 non-empty cell. So as I am deleting one cell value, the value here get reduced to 9. Now there is 9 non-empty cells. So I am doing control Z so that value will be on their place. So after that, how many people in data set are in marketing department? Here we have a condition that how many people in the data set is from marketing department. So we will use count if formula here. So after writing count if, we need to select range, which is department. Then comma, then we have to write condition, marketing, and close, hit enter. So there are 4 people. Just to cross verify whether it is right or not, we can just simply check from here. So as you can see, there are just 4 people in the marketing team. So later move to the next question. How many blank cell are there in score column? So to count the blank cell, we can use this count blank formula. So where we have to check in scores column. So after that, we need to select the range and hit enter. So as of now, there is 0 blank cell. The moment I'm deleting one cell value, it is getting reduced to 1. Okay. So after that, the last question of this video, count how many people are female and have a score greater than 85. So here, if you can see, we have 2 conditions. So we will go for count ifs. So firstly, select the first criteria range. The first criteria range is gender. So gender, comma, should be female, comma, second criteria range, that is scores, and comma, it should be more than 85. Close, hit enter. So there are 3 people, 3 female basically, who is having a score of 85. So we will cross verify it first, selecting the females only and selecting values, removing 85 because we are looking for values that should be more than 85. So now as you can see, there is just 3 values which are more than 85. So we got the right answer.